and welcome back to Jagadamba Pearls. So today I'll be showing you the beautiful collection of Kundan jewelry. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and let me tell you something interesting, that if you want to try this jewelry, you can also try this jewelry at your home for free of cost. And to fix an appointment, you can check the description, and you can also know its price details and weight details. You can also contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is also in the description. So you can also walk into our stores. The store locations are mentioned in the description. That's all for today, guys. So let me just go ahead and show you the beautiful collection of Kundan jewelry. And so today I am going to show you the beautiful uncut diamonds with Kundan finished jewelry. So you can see the beautiful bridal collection. So I am going to show you two choker models and one beautiful necklace model, and this can be also converted into a long necklace by adding some beads over here, or you can also add the pearls or any kind of gemstones. So this particular chokers and also this particular necklace set can be customized as per your wish, and if you want to add any of the gemstones over here as a droplet, so you can also do that. So let's get into the video and let us know more details about this collection.
Hello everyone, and this is a beautiful Kundan choker necklace. It's with a round shape and a square shape. Uncut diamonds are studded in this with the finest quality, and backside the Meena work will be there, completely finished. And we have options for these things. You can add the beads for a bridal heavy look, and we have options for the earrings also. If you want to add a screw, you can add a screw, and if you want to add a hook also in this. And this is one more this is one more side piece long necklace set for the Kundan. Here we have a blue meenakari work with a round uncut diamond in this, and these are the side pieces with the chandbali style.
And also guys, look into the details. So this is a chandbali model with a peacock design. So you can see this is a peacock, and this is a more design which is given here in blue finish with the pearl droplet. So if you want these droplets to be changed, you can also do that. And if you want to try this particular jewelry at home for free of cost, you can try this jewelry at home, and if you like, you can buy. To try this, you can fix the appointment, and the contact number is mentioned in the description, so you can fix the appointment. To know the weight details and price details of this particular jewelry collection also, you can WhatsApp us. So let us know more details about this particular Kundan jewelry.
And this is a short and beautiful choker with a big size polki with a Kundan work, same thing. And we can add a pearl bigger size or smaller size pearl with any other gemstone kinds, with emerald, ruby and fluorite stone, Russian emerald. We can add as your choice particularly. That's why we have left over here. It's a 90% finished thing. As per your requirement, we can finish it, and we can add a back chain, or if you want to add a dory, this thing will be looks very perfect with a dory kind also. You can adjust with the dory. That is the beauty thing of this Kundan choker.
That's all for today, guys. Hope you have liked this particular collection. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.